You thought your microwave just heats cold pizza. Nah bro, that little box is a retired war veteran just trying to vibe in your kitchen. It all started with radar. Smart folks were trying to spot enemy planes. Then one guy walks past a radar tube, bam, his candy bar melts. Science didn't say, oops. It said, yo, let's cook lunch with this. Microwaves don't warm the air. They shake water molecules like a toddler with a juice box. Friction is equal to heat. It's like your burrito's getting a deep tissue massage from physics itself. Every time you hit reheat, you're using top secret war tech to warm soup, telling W generals, someday this will make my nachos gooey again. So next time you hear that ding, salute your microwave. It fought Nazis. Now it fights cold leftovers. From battlefield radar to hot pocket hero.